Hey, it's Danny Ramey with Circo Innovations. We've got the PVC Hunting Blind. Come check it out.
Now we're going to go over the PVC pipe and fittings you need to build this design. You will need 6 pieces of PVC pipe cut to 60 inches long. Next you will need 12 cut to 40 inches long. You will need 10 of the 1¼ snap clamps. You will need 6 of the 3½ inch long PVC pipe sections. You'll need 1 of the 6 ways. You'll also need 6 of the 1¼ couplings. You'll need 6 of the 1¼ adjustable fittings. And you'll need 6 of the 1¼ adjustable 4-way.
All right, let's go ahead and start with the 6-way. Put your couplings on the ends here. You could use self-tapping screws or even the Circo Pin that's going to be coming out very soon. Gonna go ahead and get your pipes here, go all the way around. All right, next we're gonna be taking our adjustable. This is gonna be going on the end here. Next we're gonna be taking the 4-way adjustable in the short section of PVC pipe that we cut and placing it right on the end just like this. Tighten everything down. You can use a rubber hammer for this whole assembly. Makes everything nice and taut and fully seated into those pipe fittings. Next, you're taking the 40-inch section of PVC pipe and you're going to come in down at the bottom here and connect these to your 4-way adjustables all the way around. Using self-tapping screws right now, or you can use the Circo Pin like I said before. We're going to go ahead and use the 4 ways with these sections here, tying together the roof so it's nice and sturdy, then we'll put the legs on. Now we're taking our long sections here, we're going to go underneath and put it into the bottom of the 4-way. Also what you want to do here, on the bottom of the 4-way, it can tighten by spinning this section here. You're going to want to tighten all these portions while you put this in. Then you're going to want to get this fully seated. There's also a hole where you can put a screw into or the Circo Pin. All right, now we finished the frame, we're talking about the covering. We're going to be using snap clamps to hold those coverings on. This is an 1¼ PVC pipe frame, so we're using an 1¼ PVC snap clamp. You can use a heavy material or a light material. I'm going to let you decide what you put on this cover, but it's a really nice setup, good for hunting, like we found it's a hunting blind, but you could also use it as like a greenhouse for gardening or like a small shed. All right, we finished the cover now. We're using PVC pipe. Something to think about is PVC pipe and the fittings can be easily painted inexpensively to your desired color.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And to purchase any of these items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.